Hi, I'm Alexander and this is René of Paris. Today I want to talk to you about this amazing style in the Amore Collection. This is Rohan. Rohan is a medium to long bob. We have a very nice beachy, gorgeous wave pattern in there. She's got a lace front across here, so really nice on the hairline. You can wear it back, forward. Let's have a look at the side. So when I come to the side, we've got this gorgeous wave pattern, continues, very on trend. Again, we continue the wave pattern throughout the back, and the other side, she sits on a side parting, which just looks amazing, and this is Rohan. Rohan is a heat-friendly style with a mono top, extended lace, open wefted cap, and adjustable straps in at the nape.